This meditation will make your specific person choose you and make the first move back to you. You will become their first and only choice, and they will travel high and low to come be near you. After listening to this, nothing will stop them from being by your side always. Now let's begin. They choose me forever. They choose me now. They choose me instantly. They choose me over everyone else. They choose me over everything. I am the only one they think of constantly. I am the only one they spend their time with. I am the only one they love. I am the one they want now. They only have eyes for me now. They only want me now. They daydream about me all the time. They make scenarios about being in a relationship with me. They call my name while sleeping. They make the first move on me instantly. They make the first move on me now. They ask me out now. They FaceTime me all the time. They are approaching me first instantly. They are addicted to me, and it is obvious. They always want to be near me. They try to see me all the time. They are obsessed with me all the time. They are in awe of my beauty. Their urge to talk to me is getting higher and higher. I am their main focus in life right now. They want me by their side forever. They love making the first move on me. They love talking to me first. They are always thinking about messaging me. They always go out of their way to see me and talk to me. Their family and friends love me and want us together. Every day we become closer and closer. Type, they want me by their side forever to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in this next meditation.